Apple cider vinegar has been used for the past few years because of its countless health benefits. In ancient times, the ACV was used as a food preservative, but later on, due to its medicinal properties, it found its uses in health as well. It is an active ingredient to most of the natural remedies to treat various problems such as stomachache, a sore throat, weight loss, and others. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antioxidant, antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, if used regularly for 60 days, will treat all your health problems. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is formed by a long-term fermentation of apples. After the fermentation process gets completed, the end product has maximum bioactive components that include acetic acid, epicatechin, gallic acid, catechin, and antioxidants. The best quality of vinegar is the one that is unfiltered and unprocessed. Following are the top health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Number 1. Good for heart health. The use of apple cider vinegar prevents cardiovascular diseases, and it also helps to decrease triglyceride levels. The chlorogenic acid, along with polyphenols in apple cider vinegar, prevents oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Number 2. Treats indigestion and acid reflux. Adding a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water is very beneficial for those who experience indigestion. If you are experiencing acid reflux, then apple cider vinegar will also treat this problem when used regularly. Number 3. Supports weight loss. If you are serious to lose your excess fat, then for that, you need to use apple cider vinegar regularly. This will give you a feeling of fullness and you will not feel hungry all the time. This means that apple cider vinegar is very effective for weight loss. Number 4. Improves the absorption of nutrients. The active ingredient in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid that helps to increase the absorption of minerals from the food. To get maximum absorption of nutrients, you need to add apple cider vinegar into the salad dressing. Number 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. The anti-glycemic properties of apple cider vinegar make it suitable for regulating blood sugar levels. When you use apple cider vinegar, then it enhances the glucose intake in the tissues and helps to prevent complex carbs digestion. Number 6. Helps to treat warts. A natural way to eliminate the warts is by using apple cider vinegar. The acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar will help to prevent warts in the future. All you have to do is to wipe apple cider vinegar on your warts regularly before sleep. Number 7. Improves oral health. Those who are worried because of bad breath and looking for ways to whiten their teeth must try apple cider vinegar at home. You need to gargle with diluted apple cider vinegar and then it will treat bad breath. Number 8. Treats sore throat. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antibacterial properties. That is why it is greatly used to treat a sore throat. If you have an infection in your throat, then you have to gargle with diluted apple cider vinegar in water and it will heal your throat quickly. Number 9. Cures skin disorders. If you want to treat your skin ailments, then the experts recommend the use of apple cider vinegar. You can use it while taking bath or directly soak your body into it for a few minutes. In this way, all your skin issues will be resolved. Apple cider vinegar for household cleaning. Those who are looking for an easy way to clean their kitchen and bathroom cabinets must try diluted apple cider vinegar. This will make cleaning much easier as compared to other cleaning products. Apple cider vinegar is a natural cleaning agent and the antimicrobial properties make it suitable for cleaning purposes. You can use it to neutralize the foul odor in your home. In order to eliminate pesticides or bacteria from your vegetables and fruits, you can also use it in the form of a solution having 90% water and 10% vinegar and rinse your fruits and vegetables with this diluted solution. You can also use it to make vinegar-based herbicide to kill the weeds in your garden. How to make apple cider vinegar drink. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of organic and unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of organic lemon juice, 1½ cup of soda water. Instructions: to make apple cider vinegar drink, you have to mix all the ingredients in a glass and then add some ice. Now your drink is ready, and if you want to further enhance its taste, then you can also add 1/4 cup of cranberry juice into your drink. Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.